In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Underdog Fantasy account. Firstly, visit the Fantasy website or open the mobile app and enter your email address and password to log in. If you've forgotten your credentials, use the forgot password to reset it. After logging in, locate your profile icon or username in the top right corner and click it to open the Account Settings menu. Look for an option labeled Manage Account, Profile or Preferences. Within there, find the option to delete your account. Click on it and a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Confirm your decision by clicking on appropriate button or link, and you may be asked to provide the reason for account deletion. After that, confirm your email address, enter a verification code, and provide other identifying information if requested. And after completing the steps, you will receive a confirmation email or on-screen notification verifying that your account has been deleted. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.